Hey there, this is a unboxing of the HEXBUG VEX Robotics Switchgrip. I just got this and I'm excited to have a look at it. The box is nice. It's got a nice picture. It says there are 11 balls, which is nice. Has some instructions available for an alternate build where the magazine where you feed the balls is longer, a shorter muzzle. Says it'll shoot over 20 feet, that's nice. 140 plus parts, and says it's mid-range difficulty, and there are 42 pages in the manual. The snapshot, which is a similar kind of shooter, has over 170 pieces, and the manual is 55 pages long. But it says it's the same difficulty. The snapshot has some tricky build parts. We'll look at it maybe a little bit later. But this one looks like it should be pretty straightforward. And there are some new parts which will be cool. Looking forward to seeing what we can do with those. But let me go ahead and open it. As you know, all these pieces are compatible with the VEX IQ line, which you can use in the competitions. This manual is very similar to the manual that comes with the snapshot. As it mentioned, there's 41 pages. And it looks to be pretty good quality. When HEXBUG VEX Robotics came out with some sets a couple years ago, like their ball machines, the original instructions were kind of hard to follow. They didn't do as good a job showing you where the parts went, so hopefully this one will be a lot better than that. So, but it shows all the different. It has this nice instructions. These are all the new sets of instructions that they have. Have a really good one-to-one scale for counting holes, and so you can compare the parts to make sure you got the right part for both the beams. They show how to measure the angled beams, which can be a little tricky sometimes. Make sure you pay attention to how parts are oriented, either in this case with the connectors face down or face up. And they show how the axles and the standoffs are measured in comparison to beams. That all looks really good. I'm excited about some of the new parts that they have. Some new connectors, it looks like. And these little pieces here are nice curved panels. There were two of those in the snapshot set. And we've got a double bend on this beam here, which is cool. I'm really excited about these new parts that are used for the muzzle of the gun, as well as the longer magazine. Those should be really cool and very nice to use for making ball machines, which I've done a little bit of in the past. So let me go ahead and open up some of these bags here. The color is nice, the transparent orange, I like that. The snapshot was a transparent green, which it's nice, but I like it. I think I like the transparent orange a little better. That's a nice part. It's got some ways to connect it. Should come in handy. bent beam. 2 of those. And they've got a couple of these different, you can see that the length of the flanges here, which hold the balls back, are different. So one is a stronger force when it ejects the ball. Those are cool little pieces. It's got 4 of these. There it is. 4 of these transparent orange curved panels. Which are nice. The Snapshot only had 4 balls, so it's cool this one comes with 11. And I like the color, that's a nice kind of robin's egg blue. That's cool. The balls that came with the Snapshot were the plain regular white balls. This is another new part, which is nice. A double bent beam. Yeah, we've got some nice curves on these tube pieces, like that. And then this is like the muzzle piece, which has the side vents, kind of cool. And then there's 4 of these straight channel pieces. And then this is another nice piece with the hole for the balls. I don't know if there'll be any other sets that have that, but that's cool. 2 of the double bent beams. These connectors were first used in the competition game from last year, I think, for building the scoring zones. Those are kind of cool. This is actually a piece that I've seen in one of the new, I think it will be found in one of the new BattleBot VEX IQ sets. So I'm not sure what it's used for in this one, but it's a cool little piece there. And this is a new connector. Similar to this, but instead of three holes like that, it's got the offset hole. Same dimensions, but the middle hole is offset. It's cool.